Hello viewers, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can give your glass bottle or your glass painting a blur look. Here I've got crystalline glass paint. It's a glass color. It's easily available at any craft store. And I've got a brush. I'll just open it. Just dip the brush in, and with equal strokes you have to paint the glass just like this. If you want the whole area to be blurred, then completely cover it with the paint, but I'm going to leave some spaces. I've painted it all around, but it's not completely dried. After 5 to 10 minutes it will be completely dried, and here's the final look. There are some spaces that are showing. I haven't put the paint over here, and it didn't cover the neck of the bottle. Hope you liked today's tutorial. Your support means a lot to me, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.